In this lesson, we will explore how you can save and publish your app to make it available to others. When working with a Canvas app in Power Apps, saving your changes is an important step. Once you've made changes to your app, they are automatically saved, but only for yourself and those with edit permissions. To make your changes visible to everyone the app is shared with, you need to explicitly publish them. To save your changes, go to the App Actions menu here in the top right. Here you have several options. The Disk Save icon saves all recent and unsaved changes you made to the app. Each time you save, a new version is created, ensuring you can track your progress. To the right, we have more save options. If you want to add additional information about the updates you've made, you can choose the Save with Version Notes option. It allows you to save the changes along with specific notes. Sometimes, you may want to create a duplicate of your app with a different name. The Save As option enables you to do just that. If you wish to have a local copy of your app, you can use the Download a Copy option to download it. I'm going to click on Save with Version Notes and I'll write First Version for our notes. When we click on Save, we are presented with the option to publish our app, so I'll click this option. Alternatively, we have the dedicated Publish button here in the very top right corner. Clicking on the back button will bring me to the Power Apps homepage. I'm going to leave Power Apps Studio, and because we have just saved and published the app, I am saved to choose Leave Here. In the left pane, if I click on Apps, I will be able to see all my available apps. If we click on the three dots, we can see we have all our app options. So at the top, for example, I can go back to edit the app.